If you're tired of waking up with stiff joints and tight muscles, then you need to start your day with these stretches that I'm going to share with you in this video. Now, you won't need any equipment for this one, just a mat or a soft spot on the floor. But before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can get more at-home workouts just like this one. Now, we're going to go ahead and get started with some neck rolls, just nice and simple. So take some deep breaths in and out, drop that chin to the chest, and just roll it to one side. Come all the way around, nice and slow. No need to rush these. We're going to take about 45 seconds for each of these movements. Just nice stretches. All right, when you come around in about that third or fourth one, let's go ahead and stop as that chin comes to the chest and roll the other direction. Just neck rolls around. Nice and slow, breathing. Good, hopefully getting all stretched out. Coming one more time around with that chin and then up. We're going to move it to the shoulders. So rolling those shoulders. Now right here, I want you to go ahead, take little bounces, a little soft bend in those knees. Breathing, rolling those shoulders back. Nice, just soft through the arms. Beautiful. Now this is designed for those of us, I'm included in that sometimes, that don't stretch enough. All right, we should be stretching every day, at least one time, maybe even two. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and just shake those legs out a little bit. Roll in those shoulders. We got about 5 more seconds here. And then we're going to start lifting those legs up. So I want you to bring those feet about hip width apart. Good. And we're going to move into some knee raises. So just lifting those knees up. Nice slow march at first. So this is something you can do first thing in the morning. You get up, maybe you're brewing that tea or coffee, and you can go ahead. This is just going to be about 10 minutes. I got about maybe 10 movements here, 11 movements. Nice deep breaths. Nice, just lifting that up. Now as you get those knees a little higher, you can go ahead and place those hands underneath your thighs. Nice, or even bring them up so high that you're grabbing those shins. Nice, just a little bit more movement on each one. We've got about 5 more seconds here. Nice, deep breaths in and out. And then we're going to continue one leg at a time. Now this time I want you to go ahead, little standing knee, get some ankle rolls. Nice, just rolling those ankles. So you're going to stand on one leg. If you need a little balance assistance, grab a wall or a chair. And we're just rolling those ankles. Now you can also tap and hit it with those heels and toes. Nice, just rolling. Whatever feels good, just getting some movement there in those ankles. Nice. Beautiful. About 10 more seconds here. Bringing in that balance. Again, deep breaths in and out. And let's continue to keep that chest up high. We're going to move into some good mornings. Something for the morning, good morning stretches. Feet about hip width apart, pushing the hips back. Now I just want you to go ahead, let those hands come on down in front of your legs and then squeeze the glutes to come up. So as you bring the hands down, the hips push back and then squeeze the glutes to come up. You can go ahead and fold down as far as feels good for you. If you're looking for that stretch in the hamstrings, I got another hamstring stretch coming for us in our next movement. Nice, breathing in and out. We got 3, 2, and 1. Now we're going to take one leg, and that heel is going down to the ground, toe up to the sky, and we're just going to reach down, scoop. We're going to alternate legs. Nice, just a little hamstring stretch. For some reason, this one always reminds me of middle school. I feel like we always did this in middle school in physical education. Nice, beautiful. Feels really good. I want you to go ahead, hang out as long as feels good. This is going to be one of our last standing leg stretches. Got about 10 seconds here. Oh, 3, 2, and 1. I was a little quick on that one. All right, chest openers. So we're going to open up to a nice wide chest opener. And then I want you to go ahead and give yourself a nice big hug. All right, now this one I've got my right arm over my left arm, so it's on top. Now I'm going to open my arms again into a nice big chest opener. This time I'm going to close left arm up on top. Beautiful. So we're going to see, we can do that 2 more times. Open and close, right arm on top, and then open and close, left arm on top. Nice. Chest opener and hugs. Now we're going to an IYTW shoulder series. So we're reaching up nice and tall, like you're an I. And then we're going to open up those arms like we're a Y, reaching out towards the diagonal of your ceiling. Now a T right here. Right here we have those palms facing up. We're going to come back to a T in just a second. But I want you to bring those elbows in. So you're making a little W. Nice. Now we're going to put those arms back out again, back into that T. And our last movement here, I want you to go ahead and clasp behind the body if you can, or get as close as you can. We're going in 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Shake it out, shake it out. Couple of deep breaths. We're taking it down to the ground for the remainder of these movement patterns. I have some seated twists for you. So as you come down, I want you to get your feet kind of close together there, knees close together, and you're going to be turning side to side, side to side. I'm going to go ahead and face you. Nice. And I want you to take your shoulders and your head with you. We're going to go ahead and get started here in 3, 2, and 1. Now we're turned slightly back, and we can stay over here as long as feels good. Beautiful. Now if you're not feeling like you can turn and you feel like you have a little bit tighter, just turn as far as you can. And then each time you come back, maybe just a little bit further. All right, 45 seconds again on each of these, so we have time to kind of each time come just a little bit further with that movement. Continuing to breathe in and out. Nice. Now if you do these stretches each day, then you'll notice as you wake up, maybe just a little bit less stiff through those muscles. Nice. Almost ready to switch up here. We're going to go ahead and lay it down in 3, 2, and 1. And that those joints, maybe feeling a little bit more lubricated. All right, we're going to go ahead. Knee tucks. So one knee into the chest, one leg is straight out. And then we're going to go ahead and switch. Our back is against the ground. Our shoulder blades rolled back down against the ground. Nice. Knee tucks. One in at a time. Beautiful. Now your eyes are going to be looking straight up at the ceiling. All right. And then go ahead and bring both knees in. Oh, beautiful. Grabbing either behind the thighs, bringing those legs in as close as you can, or at the knees. Beautiful. Nice. Keep it going. Keep it going. And then we're going to get ready to switch up here to some windshield wipers. So feet are going on the ground. Our knees are making a little mountain. You can let your hands come down to the side. And I just want you to let those knees both together go side to side. Falling to the diagonal, side to side. I'm looking at the camera here, but I want you to be just looking at the ceiling and going as far as you can. Now maybe that's not a huge range of motion. That's always cool. Whatever your range of motion is, I never want you to be pushing too far through any kind of pain points. Good. We're almost there, just about. Maybe 5 more seconds here, side to side, and then I have one last stretch for us. All right, we're going to take this as deep as we can. One leg is going to stay on the ground. You're going to take the other leg and place that side of your shin upon your thigh. Okay. Now, good for you there. Sinking into the stretch. I want you to reach through, elevate that leg that had the foot on the floor, and squeeze in, either grasping behind your thigh, or if you're feeling extra flexible today, bend that shin in and tuck it in. Nice. Now we're going to hit it on the other side one time. Beautiful. Sink into that stretch and bring it on down, both feet down. Let's hit the other side. Taking that leg that was on the floor, now it's elevating, coming up on the opposite thigh. Sink into that stretch just for a couple seconds. Reach through if you can, and grab, and then just hold. Excellent. Nice work. Let's go ahead, hold it for just a couple extra seconds. Beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and release both those feet down, y'all. We are done. Take some deep breaths. Excellent. You got your stretches in today. Super proud of you. If you want to get a strength workout in today, I've got a great 20-minute strength here. All you need is some dumbbells. So you can go ahead and grab that as well if you like. And then I will see you over there, if not in another video. Take care. Peace.